In today's video, we are headed to Hobby Lobby. There's some new items that I wanted to show you, plus give you some high-end ideas for your own home. Then we're going to come back here, style some of the items that I have, and hopefully that gives you some great inspiration. All right, let's head to Hobby Lobby. One of the new items that Hobby Lobby is featuring now is they are selling bedding. I saw different quilts, comforter sets. Now, I personally have never owned one of these, but their prices were pretty attractive. A lot of them were like $76.99, $79.99 with 50% off. So that is a great buy. Now, whether or not they hold up, the quality to other places such as Pottery Barn and those type of places, I'm not sure since I've never owned one. If you have, please let us know in the comments down below how you feel the quality is. And if you guys would be interested in me taking one of these home soon, testing it out for you and reporting back, let me know down in the comments. I would definitely be willing to do that for you. Now next up, one of the things they're featuring are bath mats and shower curtains. I saw a variety of different styles with fantastic prices. I mean, my goodness, some of these were $19.99 with 50% off, so $10, and they had quite a little variety happening. So this is something that is definitely new at my local Hobby Lobby. I would love to hear if you guys have noticed this in your Hobby Lobby because I was kind of surprised when I saw these items. Another new item that Hobby Lobby is featuring are throw blankets. They had a very nice selection. They had Chanel throws. If you notice the price, that's $28.99, and sometimes these go on sale for 50% off. Plaid throws, this one was $19.99, so it'd be $10 when they had the 50% off, which I think would make great gifts and different things like that. New home gifts, all different kinds of things. I think that's really great. I also love this reversible throw hat, had the two sides, thought that was very unique, and you could really dress up a bed or the back of your sofa. Okay, Hobby Lobby, what is happening? Now suddenly they sell graphic tees, and they had quite the selection of all different varieties. And at $10.49, that's a pretty good steal, but I was just kind of surprised to see the ones that were already made up that you could purchase. Please let me know if your Hobby Lobby are selling these type of items also. One of my favorite new sections in Hobby Lobby are their serving items. They just have some really nice pieces. I actually own this set right here of little dessert plates, and I just love how it just kind of makes serving my dessert items a little more classy. And so I am one who could probably be known for having too many serving items. I love serving my items in just a really beautiful, unique way. This little section I thought was new at Hobby Lobby with the black wicker chairs, and their lighting selection has definitely come a long way. Sometimes I feel like it's a hit or miss with like kind of what they have in stock. Sometimes I feel like they have just like really great choices like these floor lamps, and then sometimes I feel like they're just kind of lacking. I feel like right now is a good time because we're a little bit in between seasons, but I have to say my local Hobby Lobby already had some fall items out, and I was like, oh my goodness, please stop. Not this soon. Not this soon. I fell madly in love with this bowl. It was only $28.99 and then 50% off. Oh my goodness, what a steal. Lots of items in this section right here were very much reminding me of Pottery Barn, Williams-Sonoma, but the prices were just like, what? They were almost jaw-dropping because they were all on sale for 50% off. And so a few of these are definitely coming home with me. One thing I always forget about at Hobby Lobby is the mirror selection, and I feel like recently they've really stepped up their game and have quite a bit more mirror selection than they used to. And the price, they're fantastic because several of these mirrors were very large, and I felt like it was a good price, good value, and they were just really unique. I just, keep an eye out. My Hobby Lobby, as you can see here, had an entire wall dedicated to all different sizes and styles of mirrors, and definitely worth looking at. Now, I show this all the time, but this is my favorite faux greenery. It is just very beautiful, drapes very nice, and I feel like if you ever need to use faux greenery, this is what you need to get. Like we mentioned earlier with the serving items, their kitchen items have really come into play lately. I mean, they're really branching out. As you can see, they have like storage containers, adorable canisters. They've really added in some nice, unique, high-end pieces that you should keep an eye out for. One of the things that I always look for are serving items, like I said earlier, but like their glassware, their pitchers, they really catch my eye and are beautiful. But now let's talk about the wood cutting boards, because my goodness, I feel like they have some of the best prices around. One, they're huge. You can get such a variety. You can get very large ones, very small ones, and they always have a large selection of wooden spoons that are great for gift giving. And now they already have the little gifts packaged together like we've shown in earlier videos. I thought this was really cool. Kind of takes the guessing game out of the gift giving, and you already have a gift almost all prepared. Don't sleep on the party section at Hobby Lobby. I can't wait to show you what we do with these letters. Really unique and great idea for any party. But now, let's head back home and get ready to do some decorating. So many of you guys have been so kind, always reaching out to me, checking to see how Jason and I have been doing. I want to give a big shout out to BetterHelp for sponsoring today's video. As you can imagine, when you're dealing with an illness that can be super difficult, having that outlet, having that licensed therapist to talk to help give me ideas of ways to deal with things and cope with things and give me an unbiased view has been phenomenal. One of the things I love about BetterHelp is being able to just sit here and talk to my therapist from the comfort of my own home. You have the option of being able to do it on your computer, on the phone, or through messaging. There's so many options that just makes it really great, and you don't have to get out like me. I am Jason's caregiver 24/7, so just, I have to pick and choose on how I spend my time outside of the home. And so being able to do something like this for myself to help me get through the situation that we're going through, it has been, just life-changing. It's so super simple. You just go to my link, thebetterhelp.com/acharmingabode. Then they'll ask you a few questions, and then they will connect you with someone who has had years of experience that can help you with the struggles that you're dealing with. I have to admit that I used to feel super shy about going to a therapist and telling them all my problems. It just felt like, I don't know, but now I find it very comforting. I feel like it's this person that probably knows me better than anyone that can separate themselves from what, I'm going through in my day-to-day life and help me see what I'm dealing with and give me obtainable goals. I really feel like that is something that has changed my mindset and has helped me to cope more easily. So I highly suggest that you let BetterHelp connect you with a therapist from the comfort of your own home. Visit betterhelp.com/acharmingabode or choose a Charming Abode during sign up and enjoy a special discount on your first month. And again, a big thank you to BetterHelp for sponsoring today's video. When I saw this beauty in the store, I knew it was coming home with me. One, its size is super impressive. It looks very high end, very nice quality. I actually have in mind to use this for serving food, not for just like decor. Yes, this would look awesome like sitting on my dining room table, maybe even in an outdoor space, that type of thing. But I ended up grabbing this large white bowl while I was there in the party section, and I'm going to use that where I place it down in here, and then I can actually use this as food service. I could put like a large pasta salad, a bowl of chips, a nice bowl of apples, that type of thing all in here, and I just feel like it would look really nice and just, kind of give the table a little bit more of a high-end look. And just on a side note, they have a bowl that's similar to this, not quite as large and as beautiful as this one, but over on Williams-Sonoma for $179.95. I think we got ourselves a fantastic deal. Definitely a high-end look for a way better price. You guys know in the past we've made fun little gifts that we've got from Hobby Lobby where we got like the cutting board, the wooden spoon, the tea towel, and then the cute little magnet. This is an adorable, way to give like a housewarming gift, a birthday gift, a gift to your neighbor, anything like that. So something I always keep in mind when I go to Hobby Lobby is those kinds of ideas. And I start looking around, especially with like the seasons and what's going on. And I have a really cute one for you guys that I think you guys are gonna like. All right, so you guys saw that they had quite a bit of different, some of the plastic pitchers, some of them were glass, different things like that. So you get one of those pitchers and we're gonna do something super cute for summer. I ended up buying the little lemon tea towel. I was like, oh, this is so cute for spring and summer. And we're just gonna put that like down here inside of our pitcher. And then I bought one of the really nice wooden spoons from there again. And I'm probably gonna place that here. And then I went to the store. This is where you can do things a couple different ways. Now, depending on the size of your pitcher, this one's a little bit smaller, so I don't think this one idea is gonna work. I bought a new container of like the Country Time lemonade, and you could put this like down in there. Or it'd be fun, I got an actual lemon to make it look super festive. Put that down in there. I ended up grabbing one of these and I thought, oh, this will look so cute, like hanging off. So, let me see how I'm gonna do this. I think I'll do it like this. Ah, that's so adorable. What a fun little gift. There's lots of different options that you could do, but I just wanted to get your mind thinking about some fun little gifts that look great, definitely look high end. Looks like you put time and thought and effort into it, and it's so cute. While we're still in here in the kitchen, another thing I wanted to show you. You might have saw these at Hobby Lobby where they're already cut out. These are so great for parties. Just imagine this. This would be so super cute if you did like the little cupcakes in there. I mean, there's so many options. Recently over on Instagram, I did one for Jason's 50th birthday and I made like a charcuterie board. So one of the best things about doing those, I always get a little overwhelmed sometimes when I think about what am I supposed to put on a charcuterie board, because there's just so many different things. I cheat and I went to my local grocery store, bought like an already done up one that had like cheeses and crackers and salami, and then I just bought a few extra things with it, like some strawberries and some blueberries and just some different little things to add in with it. Made it super simple and a no-brainer. I am gonna insert here the Instagram reel that I made in case you aren't over there or on Facebook and haven't seen this. But one of the cool things is if you go to Hobby Lobby and they don't have the already cut out ones ready to go, I just got the paper mache letters of the 5 and the 0 for Jason because they didn't have that when I went at the time. And I just took a little X-Acto knife and cut off the top. It's super simple, it pops right out. You can line the bottom of it with parchment paper or whatever you feel comfortable with in your home and then put your stuff down. It's just a really cute, simple idea, kind of elevate your party, give it a unique look. And so I just wanted to share that with you because I just felt like it was just something that gets overlooked. Don't sleep on Hobby Lobby when it comes to different party supplies. Like I said, gift supplies, lots of options. All right, this next idea, I kind of have a weird camera angle here, but I want to be able to show you this hanging up here on my front door and just kind of like how it's all gonna look all put together. So I got one of those wicker hanging little baskets, and we're gonna just make a cute little thing for our front door that'll just give our home just a nice high-end look as you're walking up to it. Best thing about this is you can customize this to match whatever looks great for your home, like the colors and that type of thing. So you know how I showed you the greenery that I always love, that I feel like has a nice look to it? I'm gonna begin by putting that in there and kind of draping it over this basket. That's what I love about it, because it kind of can go on the sides, in the middle, and that type of thing. So I don't want to make this too overly full and overly complicated. I want to keep it just kind of classy and simple. So I fell in love with this when I was in Hobby Lobby. It's so beautiful, and it's just got very nice colors to it, and I just envisioned it just kind of springing out the top of this basket. Last but not least, I'm gonna put some pretty beads coming out of the middle here. It's quite a bit of muted tones, and so when you're walking up here, this just helps break it up and give it a little bit of a extra look, a little extra pizzazz. I need to step back and see how this is looking. I cannot tell It's kind of hard. Normally I probably would have made this in the house and then brought it out. I feel like it looks classy and nice. Definitely a high-end look for when you're walking up to my home. I had so much fun shopping and decorating with you guys. I hope I gave you guys some great ideas for your own home. Thank you again to BetterHelp for sponsoring today's video. We'll see you guys again next Sunday. Bye-bye.